This is my shame, you guys. Estate sale. Okay, I just got back from the gym. I am so proud of myself. What I want to do is I want to tackle the laundry room area back there. It's like I did a makeover like a long time ago, maybe like 6 months ago, where we added the tile. We made like a thing to fold laundry, added the cabinets, I painted, added the knobs. Because it was like a really dark dated brown, like orange oak, and so we did all that, but now it's getting a little messy. And the window treatments, I'm not feeling them anymore. So let's just do a real quick hack that you can all do, renter friendly, good for your home, and it's all from IKEA, and I think it's under $15. So a window treatment from IKEA under $15. This is my shame, you guys. I have a blanket that didn't fully dry, a blanket in there that didn't fully dry. My son goes thrifting. He still needs to wash these. I have an old ugly hanger hanging from right here, but let's tackle this. Even though this little French country look was cute for a little while, I'm kind of sick of it, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. This, it's just not working, and I want something different. These from IKEA, they're actually made out of fabric, and they're actually super cheap. I think like a few dollars each. This is the code in case you want to take a screenshot. But all you have to do is measure, and then you stick it up with this little sticker. Take these two little things, make them shorter. Yes. I don't need to see that. Okay, so I found these items from around the house. Whenever I'm gonna hang something up, I love these little picture hanging kits. You get all sizes. I don't know. I just think it's a really good deal. So I have this, which might go better in the kitchen. I have a little kitchen area this could go. This one, which I really like. Love this little design and the colors. I had a bunch of washcloths in this basket, but never really did much. And I also have the soap, which keep some soap in here. You know, they say you're not supposed to use pods because it clogs your plumbing. So I got this and this little marble. Then I have this, which I think I'm over. I think I'm gonna store this in my tray stash for later. I also have this, which is, I'm trying to incorporate more things like from my heritage. This is from Africa. It is cracked here. That just adds to the look. So I think we might hang it up. Just think about right there. Yeah, that's cool. All right, so it's okay. I'll save these for fall. You don't have to use all your decor. I think a lot of people make mistakes where they don't leave enough like white space. They try to fill every single little thing. I don't know. That's just my take on design, but I think it looks very pared back, very much my style. I'm really proud of this. Before it was just all like this color, and so painted it all, added hardware. This one needs to be screwed in a little more, but this little light is perfect. It's for little ambient lighting. They say that's very important, right? And then I added these 2 silver candlesticks, which are cute. My husband does like to put his things here when he comes from his work in San Francisco. And this is really pared back. I do have a bunch of soaps in here, but my son, who's in a wheelchair, can't really reach it. Well, he has prosthetics, but he's also in a wheelchair, so just a little easier. He can grab this soap. And I just think there's something so fun when you do laundry, putting like a scoop with this, it makes it kind of fun. So a lot of earthy colors. We have our nod to our African, Benin and Togo and Nigerian ancestry. And I think the laundry room looks perfect. Now this, if you don't want to spend $1 million for a Roman shade, get these under 10 bucks from IKEA. It's actually made of fabric, it's not paper. The ones on Amazon are made with paper. You can lift it up, bring it down. No need for me to see that sand rail. So we'll have it down. Looks great. This is the sexy black bathroom. Pretty cool. Shower. That Halloween decor we got last time from Home Goods. So let's just place them here. They were on a credenza, but I think they look good in the entryway. Okay, the laundry room looks good with its pared back and functional decor. This is a well-oiled, high-functioning use area in my home. Let's go upstairs and tackle the upstairs patio. Totally been neglecting this upper patio. Okay guys, you'd be proud of me. I didn't spend any money this whole weekend. I'm not really gonna focus on a makeover. I love this pot, a makeover up here on the patio. You know, we did cover these little Martha Stewarts with the old sheet. But yeah, I still need to get some plants for the pot down there. But yes, if you haven't, check out my last video, guys. It's still good. It's all about high yield savings account, how you can save for your next big purchase and earn 5% APY. Okay, so I'm also going to show you how you can use the cheap IKEA shade hack in other areas. I'm going to put it in the kitchen. Now, of course, this isn't my ideal look, but like I said before, I'm trying to save. I'm trying to buy a lake house. And if you're trying to save, this is just one little way where you can add some chic decor into your space for pennies.